Okay, everybody, I just got off the phone with the bigwigs, and they've approved the cover art. Now, were you all able to get anything good this weekend?
Yeah, I got something. Check this out.
Great. We'll call it The Howl of the Werewolf. Gloria, did you have something?
Oh, yeah. Check this out.
What is that? It's chains, eh?
Yeah. Ghosts wear chains. Obviously.
Nice. Okay, well, we could call that maybe ghostly chains. How about you, Fred?
I was up all night working on this.
How did you get in here? Oh my God, no!
Oh, now this is what I'm talking about. Great work. Whose voice is that?
It's my neighbor. He never picks up after his dog.
Yeah, that's annoying when people do that. Yeah.
It's okay. I had the last laugh.
Oh, we can call the track Chainsaw Maniac.
I don't know if maniac is really appropriate.
Oh, what would you call it?
Vengeance.
Oh, we could toss around names later. Anyone have anything else?
Yes.
More chainsaw?
This one's dismembering a body.
Oh, well, I'm not sure that'll be clear to the listeners.
Oh, we can call it dismembering a bad neighbor's body.
Yeah, I guess that kind of works.
There's more.
Fred McIntyre, you're wanted for first-degree murder. Drop the chainsaw!
Kind of similar to the first one, but with a cop.
I call it dismembering a bad cop's body.
How much chainsaw material did you record?
About 7 hours worth.
Oh, the whole CD's only supposed to be about half an hour long.
Well, call me Mr. Overkill. The papers are calling me Mr. Overkill.
You know, I'm starting to realize something. This CD is going to be a real hit.